Hey guys, this is Judy from Judinka Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have another Beauty Big Bang stamping plate review video for you. After my last review, Beauty Big Bang offered me to review few more items from their new releases, and I was lucky enough and I received one of the newer 6-piece stamping plate set. Thank you so much Beauty Big Bang for sending this to me. As you know, in the past I reviewed many of their plates and I absolutely love them, so I also have high hopes for this 6-piece set, and I do have a 10% discount code that you can use on their website. It's not an affiliated code or anything, it's just to save some money on your purchase when you are checking out. So thank you so much again Beauty Big Bang for sending this to me, and I am really excited to review and swatch these plates for you guys. I would highly recommend you to check out their website. They are very affordable. The shipping is relatively quick. I typically receive my orders within 2-3 weeks after I place the order, so it's really not that bad, and the quality of their plates generally are really good. I will show you some close-ups, then I will swatch these for you, and at the end I will come back and share my thoughts with you as well on them. If you do like these type of videos, don't forget to thumbs up this one for me as well. And if you wanna see more review videos on my channel and you don't wanna miss out on them, then also make sure that you are subscribed to me. I would appreciate that a lot. Okay, as you know, I always try to keep my intros short. They're always really long, so let's just jump into it. And yeah, if you have any questions or comments, or if there is any plate or design that you would like me to use in my upcoming nail art tutorial videos, then just let me know in the comment section as well. So let's jump into it now. guys, what are your thoughts on these stamping plates from Beauty Big Bang? I really loved all of them. However, I do have to say I was a little bummed out when I was watching the unicorn plate. That's number 81. I don't really know if it was necessarily my fault or if it's the plate itself. It feels like it's edged a little less deeper than most of their other plates that I tried in this set. And one, there is 100 degrees in my room right now. As you could see, the fan was running and the stamping polish might have been drying up a little quicker than usually. I'm not really sure about that one, so could have been a user error, could have been the plate itself. I will be of course playing with it a little more to see if it will work when I'm just picking up the individual designs. Also, just keep in mind with scraping of larger areas, like you did see me doing it in my review and my previous reviews, sometimes the polish is not distributed evenly, so it may cause some bald spots or the fine lines not picking up properly. But all in all, I am very happy with every single plate, as I said, except for the unicorn one, but with that one I need to play a little bit more around. Let me know which plate was your favorite, what did you think about the designs, and which is your kind of like design that stood out for you. And let me also know if you ordered from Beauty Big Bang in the past and how did you like their product. I believe that's it for my review and for my outro today. Again, thank you Beauty Big Bang for sending these to me. I am really happy to own this plate, and to stay tuned for more manicures and nail art tutorials, don't forget to be subscribed to me, and also make sure that you are following me on Instagram. That's where you can see most nail arts from me. Thank you guys so much for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back for you with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.